Hi guys, my name is Mahnoor Malik. My registration number is SP21BCS065. Today my topic is about proud women of Pakistan. First of all, I would like to add something. As a woman, do not let your gender define your role. You can dominate this world. Take ownership of each opportunity. Do not let others determine your destination. Once you discover your capabilities, you will realize there are no limits to what you can achieve. As a Pakistani woman, today I will discuss about some Pakistani females who have in recent years accomplished much to make Pakistan proud. Arfa Karim was the first Pakistani student and computer prodigy who became the youngest Microsoft certified professional in 2004. She was submitted to the Guinness Book of World Records for her achievement. Dr. Zubeda Siran, an eye surgeon from Chitral, has become the first Pakistani doctor to make the book authority list. Dr. Zubeda's book has been included in the list of best ophthalmology books of all time by the Book Authority, which is the world's leading platform. Naseem Hameed athlete is a young, motivated woman. In 2010, she got a chance to represent Pakistan in South Asian Games in Dhaka, where she made Pakistan proud by winning the gold medal in 100 meters and also earned the title of fastest woman. She was honored with the title of Queen of Track, which is indeed the result of all her efforts. Mehak Gul at the age of 16 became the youngest woman from Pakistan to win the title of Women Candidate Master at the 42nd World Chess Olympiad 2016 by winning 6 out of 11 rounds in the international chess tournament held in Baku, Azerbaijan. She was one of the 82 women from all over the world to achieve this feat. Muniba Mazari Baloch is a Pakistani activist, anchor, artist, model, singer, and motivational speaker. She became the national ambassador for UN Women Pakistan after being shortlisted in the 100 Inspirational Women of 2015 by BBC. She also made it to the Forbes 30 Under 30 list of 2016. Sher sisters. 5 sisters, namely Leila, Shireen, Sassi, Marvi, and Zoha, passed the CSS exams. The CSS exams in Pakistan is considered the benchmark of excellence. According to the reports, Federal Public Service Commission announced the result that declared the youngest Sher sister Zoha to clear the CSS exam 2019. Previously, her sisters cleared their exams. Leila Malik Sher in 2008, Shireen Malik in 2010, Sassi Malik and Marvi Sher Malik in 2017 cleared CSS exams. This family truly represents Pakistan and we are proud of it. Samina Beg was born in Gilgit-Baltistan. At the age of 22, Samina Beg became the first Pakistani woman to climb Mount Everest. By the time she turned 23, she had climbed the highest mountain on each of the world's 7 continents. She also awarded as the Pride of Pakistan by the government of Pakistan. Today, she presides over the Pakistan Youth Outreach Foundation to encourage youth, especially women, to participate in outdoor activities. In 2018, she was appointed the National Goodwill Ambassador for Pakistan by the United Nations Development Programme. Karishma Ali is a footballer who is the first girl from her hometown of Chitral, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa to have represented Pakistan at national and international level. In 2016, she represented Pakistan at the Jubilee Games held in Dubai, and she was a part of first Pakistani women's team to participate in the Australian Football League International Cup in 2017. She is also the founder of Chitral Women's Sports Club. In 2019, she was listed in the Forbes 30 Under 30 Asia list, where young people are chosen for innovations and entrepreneurship. Palwasha Bashir is a badminton player born in Karachi, Pakistan. She was crowned as the national champion in 2009, winning the women's singles and doubles titles. Palwasha has been representing Pakistan for several years in different international competitions. Maria Toor Pakal Wazir is a professional Pakistani squash player. She dressed like a boy for the first 16 years of her life in order to participate in competitive sports as a Muslim girl by using the name Genghis Khan. After defeating boys in weightlifting at the age of 12, she turned to squash and having to produce a birth certificate gave up pretending to be a boy. She became the first tribal Pakistani girl in the international squash tournaments, turning professional in 2006. In August 2007, the President of Pakistan bestowed the Salaam Pakistan Award upon her. In 2009, she won third place in the World Junior Women's Squash Championship. In 2016, she ranked 56th among female players in the world.